This is about Mag-Lev trains and the engineering process. This is the planning and imagining phase. The planning and imagining phase is when you come up with something and draw it on a piece of paper. This is my materials list, and the materials I'm going to use are styrofoam, boxes, tape, glue, strip magnets, bar magnets, ring magnets, disc magnets, and cups. This is our track. We used one long strip magnet, and it's lined up really well like a straight line. This is our fill design. Because instead of strip magnets on the bottom of the train, we use disc magnets, and the track is one big long strip magnet. And what worked was the train stood up, and what didn't work is it didn't levitate. This is our improved Mag-Lev train. Because instead of disc magnets, we use strip magnets, and the track is one big long strip magnet, so it will work well.
Mag-Lev train by Ethan and Carly. I will be sharing some of the materials that we used. We used ring magnet, disc magnet, strip magnet, paper, foam, tape, and glue. This was my first time of trying to build this Mag-Lev train. It was a struggle for me, but I found a way. Things that worked in Ethan's Mag-Lev train was the train, but then something that didn't work was the track, because there was holes in the ring magnets, so it didn't work. This was improvement number 2, and this was the track. We had to strip magnet and tape the strip down. For our second material list, me and Ethan used styrofoam, tape, This was me and Ethan's second try for building our Mag-Lev train. It almost worked.
This is Project Mag-Lev Train for Science and Miss Snyder's class. Three strip magnets, 4 disc magnets, one styrofoam plate, 1 tape roll, 1 deep cup, 1 clear cup, 1 paper cup, 1 piece of cardstock, one box, and that's it. Thank you. The next step is to create. Did not levitate. we would take apart the old train and build a new one that could levitate. We used less styrofoam and more magnets. What didn't work? The cause of the train not levitating was unbalanced magnets. That caused from it not levitating.